to Geometry here, and today we're in 588, still in green t-shirt, and he's my English speaking friend. Hello! Hello!
Hello, my friend.
He's my
Hi,
dad.
come.
I'm recording.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a picture.
Okay. I am with my fellow guys. I am recording for my YouTube channel.
You change the ano?
What?
Come.
Okay.
Wait. I have drink.
It's okay. Hello. Kanina ay parada.
Where?
From Anderson to Berher and paikot. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Uy.
And green team.
What's
What?
Let's talk to sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Come.
Okay. Guys, if you didn't know, this is where I got an accident. It left a small scar in next to my eye.
The other friend is so busy.
Hello? 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 That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? 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 That one? Is that your bus?
What?
Is that your bus?
No, it's not a boss.
Manager?
No. Coordinator of service.
Oh. What? Did you know that is my favorite? Wow, pasta. So let me give you a tour of the 588. Wait, first I'm going to follow him. The original.
What?
I saw the original. We are still in 588. Pause the video to read this.
For today's video, I walk into ano, walking straight. Okay, why you're dead?
Hello. I'm vlogging.
Oh,
I do want to sit to the camera.
don't show me.
Okay.
No.
I try.
Come.
Okay. It's okay.
Ugly.
How old are you?
How about me?
Then,
I'm ugly?
no.
How about this one? How about me?
You're handsome.
Oh, handsome, you know?
Yeah.
Me, beautiful?
Yes.
So,
You beautiful. You handsome.
Oh, thank you so much, my dear. Where's your Lola?
And Lola over there.
Oh, your Lola over there?
Yeah.
your tita, right?
Yeah, tita.
Oh, tita, Lola. I'm sorry.
Hey,
My
go.
fault.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
I appreciate that.
You're so kind. Ala ko, so ba-English na ako dito?
Hello. Fire hydrant. What? Hello. Coffee. Bye-bye. I'll come back. Bye-bye. vlogging.
Welcome to my vlog, Kuya Darren. Say hi.
This is Kuya Darren.
Welcome to my vlog, Ate Mika. Say hi.
Huh.
Say hi. Okay, that girl.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Hello. Hello. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Yeah. You want to say something to the camera? Yeah. These are all the school supplies. All the school supplies. Candies. Candies. There's so many candies. Kids, if you want this, I'm sorry, but you can't go over here. Unless you can. But it's in the Philippines. And if you're in America, then good luck. Hello. Hello. I'm vlogging.
Oh, why you're vlogging? Are you a vlogger now?
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I'm vlogging.
Nagpa-vlog ka?
Yes.
Oh my God.
What do you want to say?
Hello.
So, hello. Hello. Hi. Stupid guy. I'm vlogging. So, in earlier video, diba I told you that over here I got an accident. Well, this is what happened. So, one day in January 6, Wednesday, 2025, my tita went over here and told me to carry the basket. But instead of me carrying the basket, I slide it over here, ignoring all the bumps. But then, when I came to this tile, at this exact line, this is where I tripped. Yep, I tripped. So, the bag goes flying, and me over here go into here, and over here, when I hit this tile, I got the accident. And then I stay in the floor for a few seconds. And I got up, I didn't notice anything unusual. But then my kuya and Kuya Jim, right next to where this fellow guard, my kuya showed me his cell phone and took a picture of my sugat. I was shocked, but that's weird because I didn't feel any pain. So I tried to play it normal. So I said, anyways, let's go check out, I said. But then my tita told me to go to the security guard in the exit. So I go to the security guard, and the security guard said to go to multiple hospitals. And in Lakyos, my sugat was stitched up. Therefore, I was banned in 588 for 2 months. That's the end of the story. But I'm not gonna end the video. Walking around casually. Hello! I think you're Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. What's that you?
Yeah. Hello.
It's been 10 minutes since I've been recording.
10 minutes.
Yeah. 10 minutes.
How many minutes?
10 minutes and 25 seconds.
Doon talaga rodan.
Hello. If you didn't catch it, pause to read it this time. Oh, go much longer. And also this one. Hello.